This is my Evernote badge screencast. So as you can see right here, the notebooks, and I've created, it looks like 6 notebooks. I'm ranging from personal to professional interests that I may have. So some of them only have a few things in it right now, but you can see others have multiple things. So these are videos, some of them being documents if I jump down to new trigger. I have a Word document, PDF document, some websites, and obviously in the previous ones, videos. If I do want to, though, create more notebooks, obviously I can just hit plus here, add more notebooks, and then create notes within it ranging from the types of notes that I could make. So real quick, if I do want to add a website, maybe even just as a screenshot, I can come over here with the clipper tool. I can hit screenshot, crop whatever I want from it, of course. I'll just do the physics part. And you can annotate this however you want, so I can put a little arrow right here pointing at all of these. And these, I would want to say, these are, of course, the units. So once I have that all taken care of, I can save it. It will then send it over to Evernote for me. And it should show up in a moment. See if it loads it up if I go somewhere else. So there it is right there. So there obviously is my screenshot. And I can keep adding these, of course. One thing I can do with this is I can add a tag. So it looks like it already has placed the tag on it, but if I want to maybe add a new tag or unselect this tag, obviously I could put this here and unselect it. But right now I like the tag where it's at. It's with the websites, which these are my physics websites specific to the course, obviously. Thank you.